Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special story about our family trip to the terminal. This is great for A2 English listening. Let's begin.
Last summer, my family decided to go on a vacation. We were all so excited.
We planned to visit my grandparents. They live in a different country, so we had to take an airplane.
The day of our trip finally arrived. We woke up very early in the morning, even before the sun came up. My mom made a quick breakfast for everyone. I had toast and orange juice.
My little brother Tom was too excited to eat much. After breakfast, we checked our luggage one last time.
ID booklets? Check. Passes? Check. Bags? Check.
My suitcase was blue, and Tom's was red with a picture of a cartoon car on it.
We called a taxi to take us to the airport.
It's here!
The taxi driver was very friendly. He helped us put our heavy suitcases in the trunk.
The drive to the airport took about an hour. I looked out the window and watched the city wake up.
Are we there yet?
He kept asking
Are we there yet?
every 5 minutes. We all laughed.
Finally, we saw the big signs for the airport.
There are so many cars and buses.
The taxi dropped us off at the departures terminal. My dad paid the driver.
We walked inside the big glass doors of the airport. Wow! It was so busy inside.
There were people everywhere, walking in all directions.
Airline. We looked at the big screen with all the flight information. We found our flight number and the name of the airline. It said our check-in desk was number 4.
We walked to desk number 42. There was a line of people waiting. We waited for our turn.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. We are going to visit our family.
She weighed our big suitcases to make sure they were not too heavy. Luckily, they were just right. She put a special sticker on them and sent them away.
Then she gave us our boarding passes. The boarding pass shows your seat number and the gate. After check-in, we had to go through security.
Coats and electronic devices into plastic trays. The trays went through a big X-ray machine.